초콜릿은 달콤해 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 오렌지는 상큼해 상큼해 상큼해.
Bili kami guys ng bili kami guys ng carpet. Kasi maingay si Bibi sa carpet guys. Nagagalit talaga ang lula at lulo sa baba. Ay! Take care! Pagod na to siya ba? Galing kami sa school. Meron! That one? That one, the rubber? Oh yeah, when
Have this one
sa
and have this
lalim
one.
ng carpet.
Maybe this one.
Para hindi mag-slide. This is rubber.
Yeah,
I think this is better, my love. This one. This. Meryl, come here. Come. Hindi na gid si baby magbakusan guys ya. Hindi na siya pwede hindi siya makaupo. Ayaw niya umupo. Oh. Look papa, look papa. Call you. Go to papa. Where's papa? Where's papa? Antok to siya. Is that enough? Come on, come. Come here. Come here.
very expensive.
Yan guys, ang carpet na binili namin guys. Oh. Yan ang carpet.
Oh, we
Yeah,
do the
carpet.
tools next week.
Oh, why next week? I can't buy. I have money. Why next week? Why not now? Come on, come here.
So much stuff now. Yeah.
Come here. This one. Look, this is the tools. Not pala.
No, here.
Bili ako guys ng sarol. Para masarol ko to yung aking curtain.
What tools we need?
This one.
For hacking or what?
Hack.
Like this.
Meryl, come here.
Like this.
Meryl.
You need like this or what?
Yeah, I like that.
Boom,
Yeah. How much?
Yeah. What? Need the small one, the big one. Cost.
I think I think better the big one. It's the big
Cost this.
34. Also this one 27. This one 27 enough.
What?
This one.
Yeah, but this.
Yeah.
Also, this is a small one.
Yeah. This enough?
Yeah, 28. I don't know. You must work with that.
Yeah, that's enough. I think.
Not my work.
Yeah, I want that. It's big.
Like this.
I don't need this pala.
But this is not the.
Where is she? Where is she?
Oh, Mirel.
Come here. Wala nakahanap naman siyang laruan. Where you get that? Yeah. Kasi ang daming mga dito, mga halaman. So, I don't need that. Hindi ko kailangan mga halaman guys. Kailangan ko gulay. Where is for the balcony grass? Only that? Where? Meryl, come here. Meryl, angga. We go there to Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Come. Come on. Come on. I. Go to Papa. Go to Papa. Come on, go to Papa. Go to Papa. Where's Papa? Where's Papa there? Papa. What's the real one? Is that fake? Are you sure it's maybe one time? Boof.
Yeah, that's what I'm. not be one time.
Uy, kala ko ano. Plastic pala to. Yeah, we go to the grass. Grass suffer.
Go. Yeah, go. Come.
Come on. Antok na to si baby. Bili kami guys ng para din sa balcony. Kasi natakot ako kay baby. Baka ma-slide. Ganda yung may carpet. Pero gusto ko sa balcony yung parang grass. Yan o. Parang grass siya. Grass. Ayan, green. Ayan. Parang grass siya. Parang grass. Oh. Wait, come here. She help you. Helping Papa? Oh, it's small, my love.
What is small? Oh, wait.
It's not enough for you.
Till we can open
Look.
the door. Look, then sending it more.
Look at that. Nice, more big like this.
Dat is very slidey, look. Okay, wait there.
Nice. That's good for you because you stamping your foot. Then Lula and down very
slidey.
la.
Very slidey, eh? Here's a good fall. It's very slidey.
Look, she's stamp. Look, she cannot. Look.
Yeah, he does not.
Huh?
He cannot because it's so slidey. So it was a little bit this direction. Go one time down. Go to the mama.
Daddy.
Go to the mama. Step again. Oh, why do you look so slidey?
I think my love do like this.
Do like this. Of course not. It will not fit with the table and.
Huh? How about those chair there? The sofa?
Yeah, there's more food on top, of course. And then it's still here.
No, can't do that. Do try. Try.
It's slidey again. First we do a little bit.
Wait, Mama. Wait, Langga. What's that? She said. What's that? Bate. Barte, she said Barte. You didn't hear that? Barte. Barte. she's very happy.
You're slidey.
Come on, wait. Papa will arrange.
I must do like this. Like this, you mean?
Yeah. Aba. Aba. She's searching. Yeah, that's good. A little bit.
What I mean.
Oh, a little bit there. No need.
I don't like it, but where is it? Need more of this. Get out. Go down. Otherwise I cannot do it.
Yeah. Or more. Look. Yeah, enough. Enough, enough.
Very slimy.
It's yeah, more fat, yeah, more big, more thick.
Yeah. Very strange. Not bonking. Bonking again with it. Yeah, what is that?
She wants to swim. Swim. She's swimming. Swim, swim, swim. Nice. Nice. We check in the balcony also. Ay.
It's not nice. This chair always.
A little bit this move.
No.
Tingnan mo naman to guys. Tingnan mo naman to ang aking anak. Ang aking miracle baby guys. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo naman ang miracle baby na yan. Tingnan nyo guys anong ginawa niya sa kanyang damit. Oh. Anong ginawa niya sa kanyang damit. Oh. I-off ko mamaya ang TV. 30 minutes lang yan ha. Tingnan nyo yan guys. Oh. Anong ginawa nito? Oh, ang lamig-lamig. Ang lamig-lamig. Sus, ko. Na magbihis tayo. Bihis. Biglagyan kita ng t-shirt sa taas para hindi mo maubad to. Sampawan ko ba? Sapawan ko ng t-shirt. Ayan na guys. Ayan na guys. Ang aming binili na carpet sa balcony. Kasi nasa slide yan si baby pag cement lang. So, kanyang grass style yung binili namin. Sobrang lamig sa labas guys. Frozen. Ayan ang aking mga paso guys. Dahon kamuti yan ang nilagay ko. Pero kamuti yung, laman ng kamuti yung tinanim ko guys. Para, maraming tubo. Kasi, kisa sa dahon na itanim ko. Dahon ba yun o yung paklang? So, yun po ang aming balcony guys. Ang update sa aming binili na carpet dito sa sala at saka dito sa balcony. Yun po ang aking dirty kitchen. Nakikita nyo. Ayan ang ang update. So, ang ganda guys, sobra. Wala akong worried pagdating kay baby. Lalo na lagi kami pag summer, lagi kami dito sa balcony. Dito kami kumakain. Dito kami nag-ihaw-ihaw. Yun. Minsan naglalagay ako ng batya dyan kasi mainit din dito guys pag summer. Naglalagay ako ng batya dyan. Tapos dyan si baby naliligo. So, kasi sobrang init guys. So, lalo na si baby gustong-gusto ang tubig. Maglaro ng tubig. So, dyan siya sa summer. Next week siguro, next 2 weeks, summer na dito. Ngayon, sobrang frozen pa talaga kahapon. Puti talaga yan ang kahoy sa snow. Ngayon natunaw na kami. Medyo may init-init na, tsaka mahangin. Sobra guys, nakita nyo hangin.